Alright, how's it going today? First of all, I would say this new camera is really working out well for filming in the car. I've noticed I still got a few videos that filmed with the old camera, so when those come out, the sound quality is gonna not be as good as the ones that are filmed with this one. But the ones that I've uploaded with this camera seem to be, for the most part, good sound quality. So a while back, I put up a post on here that we're doing a collaboration on Panzer cars, and I didn't get a lot of response on that, so I thought I better put out a video and see if that gets better response. So I talked with my friend Panzer Platform, and he's definitely in, but I find that they do better when we have at least 3 or 4 or 5 collaborators. And so what we're doing is a collaboration on owning a Panther car, civilian model versus police model. And if you have a different type of model, like a taxi model or whatever, please feel free to collaborate with us. But to join the collaboration, it's real simple. You just got to upload a video, try to keep it probably in the 5 to 10 minute range. Just, people's attention span sometimes doesn't last beyond that. You don't have to show your face or anything, just show your car and talk about whatever you think is an advantage or disadvantage to owning whichever Panther car you own, whether it's a civilian model like a Grand Marquis or town car, or even a civilian Crown Vic, or if you're owning a police model or taxi model or one of the other non-civilian type Crown Vics. I've already filmed probably all of the footage for mine. I may go back and add a little bit more. I haven't edited together, but I'm guessing mine's going to be in the 5 to 10 minute range. So like I said, if you want to do that, it's a great way to get some more viewers to your channel. Number one, all the collaborators usually watch each other's videos, if nothing else. You'll learn stuff from each other. I mean, I find every time we do a collaboration, I always learn at least one thing, maybe several, from the other collaborators. So it's a really good, fun experience, and just let me know that you want in on it. Our original target date was to do it like the first week of September. We may push that back another week or so just to give people time to get theirs done. But just email me. It's real simple, dad@wjhandydad.com. What we'll do, if you email me and let me know that you're in on it, I'll solidify a date. Everybody will exchange their link for their video, put it in the description, hopefully put in your video that it is a collaboration, and then we'll set them to all go live at the same time, same day. And that's how it's worked in the past, and it's worked really well. Those are typically my higher performing videos of the modern age. The other thing I wanted to address that I thought was funny is, Panzer Platform started calling me the Texas Hamburglar, kind of a insult or a term of endearment, one of the two. So I made a joke channel called the Texas Hamburglar, and did a fake video trying to enter one of his giveaways that was for small channels with not a lot of subscribers. And of course, I'd emailed him in advance and said, look, it's a joke, don't enter me into the giveaway. But I guess some people didn't know that it was a joke. So I got some pretty hateful comments. They were so bad that YouTube didn't even publish them. But I promise it was a joke. It was not meant to try to win the giveaway. So anyway, now I told him he has to create the Mayor McCheese channel. So we're gonna have an internet McFeud.